Hi and welcome to my channel. In this session, I will explain how to use small words called prepositions to describe where something or somebody is, the place, the position. You can find the bookshop on Baker Street. She lives at 2 Baker Street. Baker Street in Rome, of course. In, on and at can cause quite a headache. You usually use them in a certain way in your native language, and so when using them in a different way in English, it can seem quite strange. To know when to use in, on and at correctly, we need to identify specific situations. And luckily, in English, we can do just that. Let's start with the preposition at. At is used to describe a specific position, an exact point. He is sitting at his desk. The students are at the back of the classroom. Please write your name at the top of the page. It refers to the place of a specific activity. Thousands of people work at Amazon. She completes the activities at home. We use it for public places. I bought these books at the bookshop. She's at the hairdresser's. James is at school or college or university. It is used for group activities or events. We were at Susan's party last night. They sold refreshments at the concert. Let's meet at the cinema. It is also used for addresses. He lives at 2 Baker Street. Okay, so let's summarize that. We can think of act as one-dimensional, and we are referring to specific points or exact locations on that plane. Next, we have on. On is used to describe the position of something on a surface or things that can be thought of to be surfaces. For example, the wall or the floor or a table. The pen is on the book. My jacket fell on the floor. Look at that picture on the wall. We also use it to identify the floor of a building. Apartment 12B is on the 2nd floor. We use it to identify the position on a flat surface. This includes water or surfaces that may form a line. For example, Ancona is on the east coast. There is a delicious bakery on Baker Street. Let's go canoeing on the river. We also use it for means of public transport. Sally is on the bus. We have been on the train for hours. We use it for media or communication. Did you hear that song on the radio? There was nothing on TV last night. I always find valuable information on this website. We use it for left or right. You can find a pen on your right. The bookshop is on the left of the clothing shop. So, let's summarize that. We can think of on as two-dimensional, and we are referring to the position of something or someone anywhere on the surface of this plane. Lastly, we have in. In is used to describe where something or somebody is located in a space which has borders or boundaries or edges. Let's start with containers or enclosed spaces. The apples are in the fruit bowl. She put the doll in the box. The milk is in the fridge. We use it to refer to buildings or rooms which surround somebody or something on all sides. The teacher is in the classroom. I must have left my phone in the kitchen. We use it for areas, countries, regions, towns, cities. She is sitting in the car or taxi. Venice is a beautiful city in Italy. My holiday in the mountains was wonderful. We use it for water. Let's go swimming in the sea. Sam, are you going to jump in the pool? There are many fish in that lake. We also use it for printed material. The characters in this book are interesting. You're in this article, you know. So, let's summarize that. We can think of in as three-dimensional, referring to the position of something or somebody within or inside the borders, the boundaries, the edges of that plane. Okay, great. Now, let's put what we have learned into action. I'm writing my name at the top of the page on the paper in the notebook. I'm writing my name at the top of the page on the paper in the notebook. At the top of the page refers to the exact position. On the paper refers to the surface of something. And in the notebook refers to the fact that my name is within the edges of the notebook. I'm at the beach, but Sally is on the beach. I'm at the beach, but Sally is on the beach. At the beach refers to the exact location. You can find me at that location. On the beach refers to the fact that Sally is on that surface, so she is on the sand of the beach. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you liked this lesson, how I explained, and would like to see more, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye!